So a lot of people ask me every day tons of questions about self-hypnosis, and they are asking me if it's really safe, if I will be stuck into hypnosis, or if they will have like the capacities in order to do it. And all the answers for that is that self-hypnosis is very good. Everyone can do it. You will never be stuck inside it, and you will have all the capacities to do it. In reality, hypnosis is a very, very natural process. I mean, when you are watching, for instance, a movie at a movie theater, for instance, there's a moment where you no longer pay attention to the people that are very close to you. You only focus about what you are saying now and what you are hearing, and it's like everything on your side kind of disappear, and you only focus on what it is in front of you. And hypnosis is a very, very natural state. Even when you are driving, sometimes you can drive and you just forgot how much time you were driving and things like that. And of course you won't be stuck. Every time you will be able to emerge, and if you think you don't have the possibilities, it is because maybe you didn't work enough on yourself and you didn't try these techniques enough. It's like, for instance, some people are stronger when they are born in order to do like physical activities, but with the mind is the same thing. Of course, there are some people that are more talented to use their mind, but that doesn't mean that you are not able to do it. It's the same thing with sports. There are some people that at the beginning are more talented to do some kind of sports, but if you are still doing it over and over again, you will have big progress. And oftentimes I've seen that these people often go further than the other people who were talented at first. And the good thing about self-hypnosis, it's like that. It's not like in sports. In sport you have to suffer, you have to endure some pain in order to have some results. With self-hypnosis it's very fun. You have nothing to do. You just have to let your mind go in some places. You just have to imagine. You just have to relax and to enjoy the process. It's like an automatic process. You don't have to do anything. The only thing that you have to do is to take some actions. But the actions by themselves are very easy and don't require any efforts. So the only thing that I want you to do is to practice all these techniques. Even if you have nothing to do, you still have to do it in order to have some progress. This is very important. But you can stay very calm about it, because hypnosis is a very fun. There is no danger, and you will have everything that you truly want in your life.